Hello there everyone and welcome to Town Green Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 777-039 with the 0856 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next train out to depart is 777-152, working the 0908 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. Arriving next into the station is 777-037 with the 0911 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next out to depart is 777-016 with the 0923 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. Next arriving into the station is 777-152 with the 0926 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Next out to depart is 777-043 with the 0938 Merseyrail service from Hunts Cross through to Ormskirk. This one today started at Walton due to a staff issue. Arriving next into the station is 777-016, working the 0941 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 777-043, working the 0956 Merseyrail service from Ormskirk through to Hunts Cross. Thank you so much for watching everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then folks.